Hi again. It's time for another cubing video. The standard blindfolded cubing I've been doing has gotten so easy that I can do it with my eyes closed now. That's supposed to be a joke, you know. So I thought I'd increase the difficulty level by a factor of many by moving up to a Rubik's Revenge 4-layer cube. Same procedure as last time, so just be quiet. This requires concentration. Okay, I'm ready. Just hope I can breathe through this thing.
Soul, are you weary and troubled? No light in the darkness you see. There's light for a look at the Savior and life more abundant and free. Turn your eyes upon Jesus. Look full in His wonderful face, and the things of earth will grow strangely dim in the light of His glory and grace. His word shall not fail you, He promised. Believe Him and all will be well. Then go to a world that is dying, His perfect salvation to tell. Turn your eyes upon Jesus. Look full in His wonderful face, and the things of earth will grow strangely dim in the light of His glory and grace. And the things of this earth will grow strangely dim in the light of His glory and grace. In the light of His glory and grace.
Okay, now let's see how it is. Thank you for watching me again.